Bhagyashree's character is very relatable. Can you tell us more about her, please?
आई थिंक यही एक बात है जो है कि भाग्यश्री का कैरेक्टर बहुत बहुत रिलेटेबल है. आई थिंक 70% ऑफ the women will connect with Bhagyashri. They will relate with Bhagyashri in all aspects.
Some of the, at least, if not one then another, not one second or third, but there's so much of relatability, especially matlab meko to every woman, I really feel 100% every woman, but and good things to touch upon, matlab things never spoken about before also, like that urban loneliness and working life, that work-life balance, and then taking yourself for granted, which we all do. She's the Bhagyashri.
I think what I like, what I really like about Bhagyashri is that how hardworking she is, and no matter what उसकी life में तूफान ही क्यों ना आ रहा हो, but she will never let her work suffer, या team को या किसी को कभी भी let down नहीं करे.
And she's building herself in pain.
Yeah.
She's not destroying herself in pain. People do that. She's building herself in pain, which is such a nice thing. And obviously suffering and all of that is happening. But you got to do what you got to do.
एक दूसरे के साथ first day of shoot का experience कैसा था?
First day of shoot was the promo shoot.
हाँ. First day तो काफी ऐसे
Lost baby.
What's your favorite thing to do during breaks on set?
अभी तो मुझे ब्रेक मिला ही नहीं है.
ब्रेक ऑन सेट, द खाने का ब्रेक.
खाने का ब्रेक, लंच ब्रेक पे यू ईट लंच.
आई स्लीप.
शाम की इवनिंग ब्रेक पे आप शाम का नाश्ता डिनर व्हाटएवर वो करते हो, दैट्स ऑल. उसके अलावा ब्रेक के ज्यादा ये लोग मुझे देते नहीं है.
दोपहर में मैं सो जाता हूँ, शाम को मैं थोड़ा सा भगवान जी को याद कर लेता हूँ. और
You enjoy shooting the Munda hot shot piece?
हाँ, did you enjoy?
Yeah, very much. I was loving it.
वो बात अलग है कि हमने जिस ट्रैक पे शूट किया था वो ट्रैक डिफरेंट था. वो डिफरेंट सॉन्ग था. बाद में हमें भी पता चला कि सॉन्ग फाइनल जो है वो मुंडा हॉट शॉट है.
Describe your character in one word.
अगर वन ही यूज करना है, mischievous, mystery, anything.
What is one thing that you would like?
Scarred.
Not scarred.
Yeah.
How scarred?
Not visibly scarred.
Scarred
People
how?
deal with things differently. No? You are dealing, like Bhagyashri is dealing in a certain way. Rachel is dealing in a certain way. You both are dealing with life, and life will happen. And then life will deal with the scars, the two scarred people.
What was your reaction when you got to know Harshad is your co-actor?
मैंने उनके बारे में बहुत सुना हुआ था. तो I was very excited to work with him, and that's what I think it's going really well.
मैंने उस सवाल का जवाब भी दे दिया. मेरे को पता था आने वाला था, मैंने बता दिया. I was very happy.
Yeah. Okay, what's one thing you instantly connected with in your character?
नहीं पता सकता. Vulnerability.
Yeah, I think even for me.
है ना?
Yeah, vulnerability. Yeah.
And I'll tell you honestly, I think the characters are जितना seemingly different, उतना similar. That's strange. For figuring that out and for experiencing that, you will have to watch our show.
Yeah.
Monday to Friday, 8:30 p.m. only on Sony. Anytime on Sony.
A line from the script that gave you goosebumps. Yeah.
A moment on set that made you laugh uncontrollably.
Yes. That moment when I don't know आपका line क्या शब्द था आपने बोला था जो आपने कुछ तो उल्टा बोला था. क्या I don't remember the word now.
Neither do I, but
yeah. But आपने कुछ तो weird बोला था and
आदत से मजबूर.
couldn't stop laughing.
मैंने तुम्हें बताया था मेरा sense of humor है, तुम believe नहीं कर रही थी. But I'm very funny. I've been telling her, but she doesn't believe me.
Yeah, but
you will. By the end of the show, you will.
Yeah, that no, you are funny. You are funny.
ये सामने ही compliment देती है, by the way. Thank you. If that was a compliment, it's funny.
तो my god.
क्या?
अभी बड़ा.
Yeah. I was confirming.
Very bad.
अरे उसमें बैठ क्या है?
No, चलो I'll ask a few questions, okay?
Why?
अरे ऐसे?
Them?
No, to you.
Why?
For them.
Why do you take? Okay.
Yeah.
What is the best mode of relaxation for you after hectic schedule for your next day का call time?
No, चलो I'll ask a few questions, okay?
Why?
अरे ऐसे?
Them?
No, to you.
Why?
For them.
Why do you take? Okay.
Moment on the set that stayed with you.
You will also answer. First you answer.
No, this
Ladies
is
first.
my
Nah,
question.
nah,
This
nah.
is my question. You can't do that.
Every moment spent here, you can, yeah. But you will also have to answer. No? Haha, मेरे पास भी आ गया. अलग अलग है.
Different questions.
How do you make emotional scenes feel honest?
By just feeling the emotion.
By doing it honestly.
By doing it honestly.
What's your favorite cuisine and did you ever order it for Shivangi?
Ordered what? My favorite cuisine
Yes.
for her. I love food. She doesn't eat बाहर का खाना.
I
And
only
ठंडा
eat
खाना.
घर का खाना.
Yeah.
I only eat. I like घर.
So I order for myself and eat.
What is the like your favorite thing to order for yourself?
So many things. Yeah.
Your favorite.
Like if I'm really मेरा दिमाग में वहाँ काम नहीं कर रहा, मुझे सिर्फ ऐसे ही खाना है तो मैं पिटला भाती में भी ऑर्डर कर लूँगा.
Yeah.
और yeah, and I can eat the same food time and again multiple times from different places. थोड़ा 19 भी चलता है. अगर अच्छा बहुत लगता है ना तो थोड़ा 19 भी चलता है मुझे.
Nice. I had idli probably for breakfast today.
Wow, the South Indianness.
Yes.
She was born anyways.
I
to
was
play.
I mean.
Are you
I was,
going to destined? Are you destined to end up also? South should be. South में थोड़ा बोले.
नहीं.
नहीं.
घर वाले ले सकती हूँ मैं. क्यों नहीं? Maybe.
Did you enjoy shooting the Munda hot shot piece?
हाँ. Did you enjoy?
Yeah, very much. I was loving it.
वो बात अलग है कि हमने जिस ट्रैक पे शूट किया था वो ट्रैक डिफरेंट था. वो डिफरेंट सॉन्ग था. बाद में हमें भी पता चला कि सॉन्ग फाइनल जो है वो मुंडा हॉट शॉट है.
In real life, is Harshad shy Munda or happy-go-lucky like Rishabh?
ये मेरे लिए नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए.
आपके लिए है. She's asking
Both
you.
can answer this.
I think he's happy go lucky. Are you shy?
It depends.
Depends. Okay.
Take a while.
Otherwise, he's always like always seen
There are might people
very
in them.
happy and yeah.
हम कुएं का में हे
Bhagyashree.
कुछ नहीं बैठ. I'm कुएं का मेंढक. Whoever is inside, I'm good. Whoever is outside, I'm